We made a promise to Mr. President to support him, and we'll continue to support him. How do we support him? Ensuring that our people, their welfare are cared for. Ensuring that our people, those critical things that will make them happy in this harsh situation, we embattle them. Even if we cannot solve all the problems, but we'll go as much as we can to mitigate those things. That is the only way to support Mr. President. We're doing it in the housing. We're doing it now in health services. That is the support. Support is not to carry policemen with plain clothes to come and intimidate people. We will not support Mr. President in that form. We will not record anything that will cut short the life of anybody in this state. We will make this state that society that everyone bears for, egalitarian society, where you're free to express yourself, move about, criticize me objectively, not with because of your bitterness. Maybe your criticism will help me, give me a focus. That is the society that I want, and that is the society we want to build.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.